robot guys. Yung panglays namin ng swimming pool guys. Bukas naman ang swimming pool. Ayan guys, yung aming robot. Mandar na. Matakbo na. Malalim yan guys. Bukas may regular sila dito guys. Yan yung dalawa doon guys.